Hi, my name is Ashley Risch, and this is my lab number 5 FTP Server and Client Lab. As you said, or as we talked about in the emails, I was having some trouble, so you just told me to record what I could do and then say what would be happening if everything was working perfectly. So first of all, here I am on my router. I just wanted to show you that I turned all of my firewall settings off temporarily just to do this lab. And then I also wanted to show you that I do have some port forwarding set up so that you could see that I was able to do that. Another thing I've done is I've also found this PC's global IP address, which is right there. Okay. As we can also see, I have Wireshark already running. I just pulled this up, the command prompt, so you can see I also know how to find the IP addresses using this. So here we are on the server. So I'm going to connect to the server. This error keeps popping up. I've tried to get rid of it, but for some reason I just can't get it to go away. But luckily I can still do most of the things without it. And I've already created a user account. Here I have my FileZilla, which unfortunately I don't think anything's going to pop up on there because I can't seem to connect to my Mac, but I can have my Mac connect to this PC. And I'll probably take a video or some screenshots of what's happening on my Mac as well. So now that I've connected to my server, I'm going to try to connect from my Mac, which it seems it has done so. And the next thing I'm going to try is I'm going to try to download a file from my Mac. And I think it has been successfully transferred. So now when I go on my Mac, hopefully the file should be there if all has gone according to plan. Now what would hopefully happen if it worked correctly, I would also be able to go on here and connect to my Mac and then download and transfer a file from there as well, because the file that's made it from here to my Mac is this, or from my Mac to here actually, is this FTP friend file, which was not there before. So that is actually pretty cool. And so that's what I would like to do, but unfortunately I downloaded Rumpus for my Mac, but it expired within minutes, so I wasn't able to create any users or group names. So the next thing I would like to show is what's happening on my Wireshark. So I'm going to stop it, and then I am going to filter for my FTP traffic, and here it is. We can see here my password. I logged in as friend2 and my password was Kent. And then we can also hopefully find where my file successfully transferred. And that might have actually been an earlier one. Here we go, successfully transferred. This was the most recent. So yeah, that's what I was able to get done. I think I would have been successful if I would have been able to had somebody work with me, but I think a lot of people were having trouble, so a lot of people just like went on it on their own, and unfortunately this is a little later than I would have liked to have submitted this. But yeah, for the most part I got most of the lab done. It's just the transfer only went one way, unfortunately. But yeah, if you see, maybe if you know why I'm getting the errors I'm getting, or you know how to set up my Mac with a different way other than Rumpus, I would love to finish the lab, but for now, this is it. So, thank you for watching.